Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90, and today we're going to talk about how to manipulate, edit, and update a photo block or an image block. Okay, let's get started. So today we're going to talk about how to, all the things we can do with an image block. Last time we added this image of jellyfish, and today we're going to talk about how we can edit it. So the first thing, you just go to Image and Edit. And why don't we trash this because we can. And here we have the option to upload from our hard drive, desktop, from our laptop, an external drive, or we can search for an image. You have access to Unsplash, which is a vault of stock photos, which is great. And so I use this a lot with clients when building a website, just to kind of give them an idea of what the website could look like to fill it out. So say I was doing a website for a real estate agent, and I came across, let's see, this home looks nice and quaint, and I'm going to add it to site. And as that is loading, we'll go into design. This is another section of what we can do. I'm not going to want the caption to display, so I'm going to keep the do not display caption on. We don't need to have the stretch tapped in. You can have a poster, so you can have the text over the photo. These are the different options. You can play around with these. I normally do inline and do not display caption. You can add a link. So let's add a link, www.impact90.com. And then I'm going to click here, just so that way this opens up in a new window and it doesn't X out where I am on this particular site. And I'm going to add an animation. So I want it to reveal, and it will just do like that, or maybe it will fade in. And I'll go back to my content. That has loaded, and I'm going to hit apply, and then I'll hit save. So we've added an action. So let's go home. We've added an action. And now when we go up to our sample folder, and we'll just do that. So we get to our sample folder, go to our sample folder and go to the basic page updated, the one that we've been working on. As I scroll down, there's my image, and it did fade in. It happened super quickly. Let's see if we can get that to do it again. So I'm in my sample folder. I'll go to basic page updated. And there it is. It faded in. Normally, if you didn't have the action, it would just already be on the page as you land. And you can see as I hover over, it's a link. I click on the link. There you go. Impact 90 opens up. But we can also add an interior link. So because it's a house, maybe we want, our person to know that, hey, if they click on the house, then they can go home. So you can add an interior link, not just an exterior linking URL. So we'll go in here, and the home on this particular website is just /welcome. So it would be, the website name.com/welcome. I'll click here. I need to take this off so it doesn't open in a new window. I'll hit save, and I'm going to hit apply. And then I'll hit save again. And now when I click on this, I'm going to click on it. It's just going to take me back to the home page for this particular site. This is a good way if you are, if you have and you want to bring people from your home page to different parts of a website. This is a really simple way to do it by using images. And then when they click on the image, you can have them go to other places within your site. And here we are. We're back at the home. So to get back to our pages, we can either go here and do basic page, or we can hit sample and the sample folder. If you click, that's a good example. If you just click the sample folder, it's going to take you to the top page in that folder. Same thing if you just go out and you go to sample and then you hit basic page updated, it would also take you here. We could go to basic page 2 just to give us a little variety. There's nothing there. It's a blank page. We'll go to basic page updated. Here we are. There's the photo. Drops in, and this is a pretty basic look at what you can do with the photo. Once again, you're going to hit edit. You'll hit edit again, and you'll get in the back end here, and then you can design, animations, content, etc., etc. The other thing you can do is image editor, but we'll cover this on the next video. Image editor is a lot more in depth, and it allows you to crop, add filters, etc., etc., without having to go out, do that in a third-party platform, and then bring a photo back in. So that's all we're going to cover today. I'm going to hit apply and save, and now you have seen what what it is to manipulate a photo. So on the next, we will talk about the image editor, which is probably the last part on the image that we'll be talking about. So we'll see you there.